We will stand, we will fight, we'll take everything we need. We won't lay down and die, this is who we are meant to be. There's no second guessing, yeah, we're gonna wear the crown. 'Cause we will stand, we will fight, we won't stop until you all see we're the new kings. At first, you just ignored us, like we're a passing fad. But then we raised our voices, and now you're scared of all the power that we have. We're coming for you. Now you can't ignore us. We will stand, we will fight, we'll take everything we need. We won't lay down and die, this is who we are meant to be. There's no second guessing, yeah, we're gonna wear the crown. 'Cause we will stand, we will fight, we won't stop until you all see we're the new kings. We're the new kings. You call yourselves an army. You try to hold us back, but when the battle's over, you're gonna see all the power that we have. We will stand, we will fight, we'll take everything we need. We won't lay down and die, this is who we are meant to be. There's no second guessing, yeah, we're gonna wear the crown. 'Cause we will stand, we will fight, we won't stop until you all see we're the new kings. We're the new kings. We're coming for ya, yeah, we're coming for ya. No, you can't ignore like you did before, 'cause we're coming for ya. We will stand, we will fight, we'll take everything we need. We won't lay down and die, this is who we are meant to be. There's no second guessing, yeah, we're gonna wear the crown. 'Cause we will stand, we will fight, we won't stop until you all see we're the new kings. We're the new kings. We're the new kings now. We're the new kings. We're the new kings.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I do nothing to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? like who's lost? It's yours, go. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame, I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see the sun coming out of that rain. My day really not tame, I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage, it's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you. I'm a slave for you. Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests, more blessed. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours, go. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose